Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the sixth video, and in this video, as promised, we are going to do the exploratory part. Okay, this is where agent browser comes into picture. And what we're gonna do in the past phases, past videos, I've shown you guys how to analyze, how to plan, how to create test cases. Now we are going to see how to execute test cases, and this is a bit tricky, and sometimes it may not work immediately, which just means that actually like you have to set things in motion in a different way, in a proper way. Okay, this is experimental phase for me also, because UI exploration is not always easy. For example, there are some cases it may not execute right now. I am actively working on them. For example, if it cannot upload any content now, okay, if you have like upload button, it will fail in those areas because it can't upload it. I am actively working on getting that down. I'm pretty sure in the next version of this noob tester, you'd be able to see those kind of challenges actually like being resolved. But there are few things, especially the example that I'm going to show today, will work right out of the gate. Okay, so what you can do actually, like practically what this tool is going to do is like it's going to share some of your work. So those kind of complex cases, that the things that it can't do, you take care of it, you do it for now. And what and all it can do, actually let it do it. Okay, it will do the cases, it will identify the issues, and it will come back and tell you. So that's the best split for now actually, if you ask me. And let's get in right ahead. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how the explore skill works. Okay, anyway, let's go back to the code base, and you can see here I have added this new agent called a field agent. It's nothing but an like you can see there is also like a noob explore and noob RCA. Those are like two newly added skills here. Again, go to noob-tester-skills repo. It's again added in the video, so all those informations are there. And I'm currently adding this particular field agent repo, like the skill 2. So this one will be also available as part of this uh, demo app that I'm using to showcase actually like all the skills and agents. Anyway, so let's get started. Okay, for the skill, it's very easy. All you gotta do is like mention the skill name. Oh, oh. I clicked something else. Okay, on Jira. So the Jira is Scrum 3. Okay, but wait, I'm missing a very crucial part. Okay, I'm just getting started without no reason. Okay, fine, let's go. See, we need like username and password and all. Actually, it's not gonna log in and test, but the credentials and all like secondary. But first things first, we need a target. Okay, so this has to run on something, and this particular report that I'm showing you guys, it's already like deployed. It's running in this URL, so that's the URL we are going to use. Let's go back to like the noob watch and go to like secrets. In secrets, you see there is a add target column here. I'm going to say the app name, shop zone, and then I'm going to give the URL as the one that I copied actually, and simply click on add target. Once you click add target, you'd be able to see the app here. So let's select. Now you'd be able to like add like your secrets, your login email, login password, and all those informations and all. Okay, for example, in this case it's very explicit. This is a demo app, so don't worry. So there is a login and a demo credentials that is already there. Let's use that one, and I'm gonna give, okay, sorry, I'll use it as a user. Okay, so just the name for the secret. Okay, so it says role, sorry. And I'll say like this is the login email, and it's a literal value, add secret. Okay, it's added now, and I'm going to do the same as login password. Okay, and I'll simply copy the password from here. just in case. I don't think it's going to run a test case with login and access because we are testing user sign up. There is a general regression for login, but I don't think it will do it. But anyway, let's add the secret. You can see there is a way to do it for 1Password also. Again, if you need it. I'm not going to show it now. I don't have my own 1Password account, so that one will leave it. Okay. Anyway, so it's all done. So we have added a target, and we have the login email and login password for the same user. So all is good. Okay. Now let's go back to the agent. Okay. So we said on this Jira, and I'm gonna say like and target shop zone. So that's the name I gave actually here for the target. So I'm just gonna give the same here. Let's see how it works. Okay, this is the first time I'm running on this repo also. We'll take the risk. Okay, let's see. Okay, as usual, the agent is picked up. Of course, we are literally flagging the agent. It found a way. Oh yeah, it found the target URL. That's great. It is claiming a test case to run, I guess. Yeah. So I will tell you like how this will work in this case. The climbing part. So we have a lot of test cases, and by default, for the UI test cases, if it is a API test case, it will take all the test cases in one go and execute them because those are just APIs. But for UI test cases, it's a lot of UI action, and it's going to use agent browser. Okay. So what it will do, it will only pick one test case, and then it will take the test case and it will run them, and then it will report actually what all issues it found, and done. That's it. So if you want to run another test case, you simply have to like trigger the same thing actually, and then it will run the next test case. Because I will quickly show, not quickly, but soon I will show how the run pack is actually like orchestrated. So every run pack will start adding every test case that you have in the list here, and then once the test case is done, added, and then whether it is passed or failed or blocked, it will start to add more and more test cases into the same run pack. Okay, until you say like I want a fresh run pack or something like that. Okay, so that's how it is designed now. It is designed to be very efficient, and we don't want to jam all the test cases in one agent. So one agent will run just one test case. I am working on a concept of a swarm of agents that will simply like try to do multiple test cases at once and stuff and all, but that's still yeah, it will take time. Okay, I will work on it maybe in the future versions. I already have like so many ideas in the backlog. So but yeah, but you see here the test case is done actually. It passed. Okay, so let's go and check it out what exactly it did and how it passed. Okay, wait, it still says running. No, okay, fine. Let's go inside and check. It passed. Okay, there is something else being claimed. Okay, don't worry. Anyway, so this is the test case it executed, and you can see here clearly that it can even, yeah, you can see the URL, and it went here. From there it went to the sign up form obviously, and I think the test case simply says that okay, whether the fields are there or not. So that's exactly what it actually like looking for. So nothing else, it's just to make sure that all the fields are available and there. Okay, and these are just the logs actually it produced, and some observations actually it produced and stuff and all. That's it. Let's see if there is any issues it found. No, that's nothing. And let's see if any accessibilities it found. Oh wow, you see there are like 20 accessibility things actually it found. Okay, so let's go ahead and check. So there is region based, there is color contrast, and there is landmark based actually like things found. Again, they don't sound like pretty serious violations. Maybe that's why they are not being listed anywhere. Yeah, for sure they are not that serious. I mean it is serious, but only critical violations will be listed in the issues menu. So these are all like, it's not that big of deal, I guess. But again, we need to like get a developer to like check what this violation actually says, and you can, but you can see like where it is coming from. All those issues actually you'll be able to see. Anyway, but yeah, we saw that part. Just there is something that tells me to like run one more test case actually, because in the end it did climb like one more case actually. So you can see it is having this running case, but it's not running. So I think by default it just climbed to one more test for the next run. So next time when you run, it will just simply like take this case and then run them. But yeah, but it anyway. uh, I would love to like run one more and then show you guys, but I think this is good enough. I'll close this video actually with this itself, because we are crossing like almost going to be 12-minute mark. But anyway, maybe I'll add one more session later to run one more test case actually, or two more or three more cases, or maybe I'll show them later in a separate video, and I'll run them in the background and show like what it found. But until then, it was nice to actually like show this functionality to you guys. You guys have a really great day, and bye bye. See ya. Take care.